12 financial strategies every man over 35 needs to know for a more secure retirement, no matter where you are in the world. Whether you're just starting to think about retirement or already over 55 and feeling behind, these steps can make a big difference. Today, I'll walk you through 12 actionable strategies to set yourself up for a stable future, regardless of where you live. Remember, it's never too late to start planning, and stay tuned for a valuable bonus tip that can boost your income in retirement. Strategy number 1. Recognize you're not alone and it's never too late. If you're feeling behind with your retirement savings, you're not alone. Men worldwide face the same challenge. Many reach their 40s or 50s without significant retirement savings because they've been focused on family, work, or just meeting daily needs. Wherever you are, the important thing is to let go of any regret and start making changes today. Understanding that others worldwide share this challenge can help ease the pressure. Remember, taking small steps now is better than never starting, and every bit you save can make a difference over time. Strategy number 2. Take inventory of your financial situation. Start by assessing your current financial picture. Note your income, expenses, debts, and assets. The sooner you understand your situation, the better you can plan. This is especially important if you live in a country where social safety nets, like pensions, may not cover all your future needs. Taking this step allows you to see what you're working with and identify areas where you can improve. Knowing your finances gives you control and a starting point for your future planning. Strategy number 3. Know your numbers. A budget is a universal tool to control spending, regardless of where you live. Write down what you make and spend each month and see where you can make adjustments. Even in countries with fluctuating economies, budgeting can reveal opportunities to save for the long term. Think of this budget as your foundation for financial security wherever you are. By tracking your finances, you're empowering yourself to prioritize future needs over present wants. You'll be able to adjust your spending to free up money for retirement savings, bringing you closer to financial freedom. Strategy number 4. Do a 30-day spending audit. Take a close look at your spending for a full month to see exactly where your money is going. Note every expense, whether it's on food, transportation, or entertainment. Even small purchases add up, and doing an audit can reveal unnecessary expenses that can be cut. Regardless of your income level, this audit helps identify ways to save more effectively. This exercise helps create a clearer picture of your financial habits and spot areas where you can save for the future. Small savings today can build a better tomorrow, no matter your country or currency. Strategy number 5. Keep more of your money. Once you know where your money goes, try to save as much as possible. For some, this may mean cutting back on certain luxuries like dining out or spending on entertainment. Redirect these funds toward your retirement. In countries with higher living costs, even small adjustments can free up valuable savings. The more you can cut unnecessary spending, the more you'll have to save and invest. Remember, every dollar or peso you save now can grow into much more in the future. Strategy number 6. Think outside the box and get creative with saving. Saving for the future sometimes requires creativity, especially in economies where wages may not stretch far. Consider downsizing, sharing housing costs, or looking for work that provides benefits like housing or meals. These cost-saving strategies can make a significant impact, especially in countries where social benefits aren't as generous. Being creative with your finances gives you flexibility to save more, even if income is limited. Every bit you save today goes toward a more stable future. Strategy number 7. Consider working longer to maximize savings. Retirement ages vary worldwide, but working a few additional years can benefit anyone. Extra working years provide additional income and allow savings to grow. You could explore part-time work, a side business, or even find fulfilling, lower-stress work if your current job is demanding. Working longer allows you to keep building your nest egg and reduces the years you'll rely solely on savings. This is especially helpful in areas where pensions or Social Security may be limited. Strategy number 8. Delay taking Social Security or pension benefits. In some countries, delaying pension or Social Security benefits increases the amount you'll receive each month. If you can wait until the latest possible age, like 70 for Social Security in the US, you'll see a boost in your monthly payments. This strategy applies to various retirement systems around the world, so check with your country's pension guidelines. Delaying benefits means a more substantial and reliable income when you need it most, It's a powerful way to strengthen your financial foundation for later years. Strategy number 9. Focus on physical and mental health. Staying healthy is essential for everyone, but especially as you get older. Eating well, exercising, and managing stress will reduce healthcare costs and help you stay active longer. This is even more vital in countries where healthcare costs may not be fully covered in retirement. A healthy lifestyle can extend your working years if needed, and helps ensure you enjoy retirement without the financial burden of health issues. Strategy number 10. Have faith and believe in yourself and the future. Faith in yourself and your future is critical. Financial challenges are universal, but determination and persistence can overcome almost anything. Whether you're following a religious belief or simply have faith in your own ability, staying motivated and focused is key. Remember, you're not alone and every small step adds up. Confidence in your future helps keep you on track, especially when setbacks arise. Believing in your ability to secure your future can make a world of difference in achieving financial security. Strategy number 11. Keep learning and building financial knowledge. Financial literacy is essential worldwide. Start by learning about savings, investments, tax strategies, and retirement accounts. Read books, watch videos, or even seek advice from a trusted financial advisor. This knowledge will empower you to make better decisions with your money. The more you understand about finances, the more effectively you can manage your savings. Financial literacy is an investment in yourself that pays off over a lifetime. Strategy number 12. Don't overlook a reverse mortgage or similar financial tools. If you own property and are over a certain age, a reverse mortgage or home equity loan may offer additional retirement income. This option allows you to access the value of your home without selling it, providing monthly income. Be sure to research the options available in your country to see if this strategy could work for you. Exploring financial tools like these can provide added security without forcing you to sell assets, especially valuable in countries with fluctuating housing markets. Now, for that bonus tip that I promised you. One great way to strengthen retirement security is by creating passive income streams. This could include renting out a portion of your home, investing in dividend stocks, or even starting a small online business. Passive income supplements your main retirement funds and provides extra financial flexibility, which is crucial if you're navigating a shifting economy or facing unexpected expenses. By setting up passive income, you're creating multiple income streams that can support you even as you transition out of traditional work. This way, you'll have ongoing revenue that doesn't rely solely on your savings or pensions, giving you more peace of mind and adaptability wherever you live. Whether you're 35, 55, or older, these 12 strategies are powerful tools to secure a more comfortable retirement. Financial planning is a journey that requires consistency and commitment, but each strategy we've discussed will certainly get you closer to your goals. Share this video with others who might benefit from these strategies, and remember, it's never too late or too early to start building a secure financial future. So, if you find these strategies helpful, leave a comment below and consider subscribing for more content on improving your life each day. Here's to a financially secure future and eventual retirement wherever you are. Take care, and see you in the next video.